Hello, this is SharpShot21. We are doing this unboxing a little bit differently. This is the new DJI OSMO Pocket. This little guy is an action cam on a gimbal. You can basically think of it as. They just came out with it the other day. I'm not sure exactly how long ago, but it's been fairly recent. It is a 4K 60 compatible action cam. So we'll jump down to the specs here. The gimbal has a pan range of minus 230 degrees to plus 50 degrees, so it will do over a full rotation. The tilt is minus 95 to 50, and the roll is plus or minus 45 degrees. So quite a bit of there. Max speed 120 degrees per second. Angular vibration angle plus or minus 0.02 degrees. So fairly tight tolerances. The ISO range on photo is 100 to 3200, and on video it is the same. Lens is an 80-degree lens with an f2, equivalent to a 26mm. It is a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor with effectively 12 megapixels resolution, shutter speed between 8 seconds and 1/8000th of a second. Image size 4000 by 3000 pixels. And it will do 4K Ultra HD, which is 3840 by 2160 at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, and 60 frames per second. It will do Full HD 1220 by 1080 at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50, 60, and 120 frames per second. It has auto and slow motion and a max video bitrate of 100 megabits per second. It does support FAT32 and exFAT SD cards. Photos are JPEG or JPEG plus DNG. Video formats are MP4 and MOV with the H.264 codec. Max SD card capacity is 256 gigabytes. Audio is 48 kilohertz AAC. Has a 875 milliamp hour battery. Operating time 140 minutes at 1080p 30. Charge time just over an hour and 10 minutes using a 10-watt charger. So let's get into the package. Nice looking little box. Here's just the top side opens here. Okay, and out comes just a cord, the Osmo in its case, a little foam, a silica gel packet, a little divider, the quick start guide, and the safety guide, which we will promptly set off to the side and not care about. In here, I hate breaking these little things. We will find okay, a nice little wrist strap, the USB-C cable, and the universal jack, universal port adapters. Oop. These are, there's two. There's a USB Type-C and a Lightning. I don't run anything with Lightning, so that's going to stay in the case. These allow your phone to interface with the Osmo. Osmo in here. Comes in this nice little hard plastic case with a snap. You can charge it through the bottom, which is nice. And then here is the Osmo itself. Go over the features. On the bottom, micro USB port, or not micro, USB Type-C port. This port is for charging, for data removal, and most importantly, at least in my case, they sell a USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter. I'm going to try it with the GoPro one first here, but I will be getting theirs. On the side is the micro SD card slot. Other side has nothing. There's a nice kind of soft touch material on the back. This record button, multifunction button. This panel pops off, and there are the contacts for the universal port. I forget what they call it exactly. Let me look. Yeah, they call it the universal port. And they have several accessories for it, which I will jump over to in short order. Not that I have any of them, but I can let you know what they are on the website. So if that plugs in, we will follow the little directions and remove the foam spacer before powering it on. I'm also going to remove the cover on the lens and the cover on the screen. Hold this button, just the power on button. It does have a touch screen. Device not activated. So I need to go snag my phone. Alright, so it appears that the Osmo is having a little difficulty. I'm not sure if it's the Osmo or if it's my phone. I have a sneaking suspicion it's my phone. So I'm going to try and see if I can get someone who has a phone on the list of compatible phones, according to DJI, which is pretty much any iPhone, any of the Huawei's, any of the OnePluses, or the Google Pixels, which I'm going to be a little honest here. It's a little silly that we can't get phones. No, we can't get this to work on every phone. It does seem like it's possible people have gotten it updated on my G6, but it seems like it takes a minute. So I want to see if I can find something else, and if I do, I will let you guys know. Talk to you in a bit. So we're back. and I just got these in the mail. This is the OSMO Pocket expansion kit. We have the OSMO Pocket control wheel, action cam mount, and the Wi-Fi base. So, well, Wi-Fi Bluetooth base. So we'll do a quick little unboxing of this, and I'll tag it on to the end of the OSMO Pocket. Stabbing the mouse pad. Okay, looks like we've got some type of instruction booklet. The base. Here's what we got in the box. The Wi-Fi base. And the thumb wheel. Nothing else in the box, as to be expected though. Put the box off to the side here. And we'll pop this open because there's supposed to be, yep, there it is. A Samsung Evo Plus 32 gig micro SD with adapter. So that's a handy little addition to have. Let me grab the Osmo here. So, got the Osmo again. This little Wi-Fi base just plugs into the USB-C on the bottom of the Osmo. Clips in. And then it lets it stand up. Kind of any flat surface. You can also run charge into the back. And I think you can also run the mic adapter. We'll try that out when I get that one. The pocket clip, or the action clip. Undoes and then pivots open. And then it slips. See, I was wondering about that. You do need to take the door off, because there's a set of tabs right here that require it to fit into the slot. So it fits in, close the back door, and then it locks in place. Still have power and record buttons accessible. Everything else is covered up. And you still have access to the micro USB, or the USB Type-C down at the bottom, excuse me. And then lastly is the thumb wheel, which we will demonstrate by powering on the Osmo. One click. Oh. Oh. Updating accessories. Give it a second here. Okay. One click on this button puts it into selfie mode. One click puts it back. Everyone's complaining that it's supposed to recenter. Well, 2 taps on bottom button recenters. 1 tap changes modes, and 3 taps goes into selfie mode. 3 taps goes out of selfie mode. 1 tap here going into selfie is kind of handy. And then this one sets to different tilt and follow modes. Depending on which way you've got this little toggle selected, you either have control over the tilt or the pan. You can have it go slowly, or you can have it zip right around. So that's what the Osmo Pocket accessory bundle looks like. This will get a definite bit of use. And so SharpShot21, thanks for watching. You'll be seeing some video from this guy in the near future. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me out, and it lets you know when I put something new up. New videos will be going up on Tuesdays or Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern. And if I do decide to do live streams, I will try to give 24 hours notice. So hit the subscribe button on the channel, and you'll be notified when I post that stuff too. Hope to see you next time. Sharps out.